guys, welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you on how to maintain our poultry and in its inlay activities. But before that, please like, share, and subscribe. Let's go! Today, we're diving into essential tips for maintaining a successful poultry breeding operation. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced poultry keeper, maintaining a clean and organized setup is crucial to healthy chickens and steady egg supply. I'll walk you through my process on maintaining poultry, including disinfection. Let's get into it. So first we are going to do today is cleaning the cages of the layers. So why is it important to keep these cages clean? First, it's all about keeping the birds healthy. Dirty cages can lead to infections and diseases, which can stress out the hens and affect how many as they produce. Keeping these things clean also helps with pest control. Flies, mites, and even rodents are attracted to messy cages. Next is cleaning the water supply for layers. We all know how is this important to the layers. That's why we need to change it day by day in order them to consume fresh water every day. First, let's drain the remaining water from this supply. Make sure all of the water will be dropped into your container. Next is wash the inside of the supply container so that the contaminated water will be washed out. But since I'm making this video in morning hours, so I'm going to show you on how to apply vitamins to the layers using water supplementation. The ratio for mixing it is 1 ml per liter. As you can see, we only use 1 gallon of water. It is because the layers can only take vitamins in the morning. If we mix more than a gallon, the remaining vitamins in the afternoon will be wasted because we're going to change it again by a natural water for them to consume. Next now is the proper feeds for layers. Feeds for layers are specially formulated to meet the nutritional needs for hens during their egg laying period. What we have here is chicken laying crumble, but also there are other types of feeds for layer. Just make it sure that you are following the proper ratio of feedings. Next is the fruit bat for our biosecurity. Just pour some water to the fruit bat and mix it with a disinfectant. Fruit bat is an essential biosecurity measure to protect your poultry from diseases and ensure a clean, safe environment for your birds. Next is litter management. Litter management in poultry is essential for maintaining flock health and productivity. It helps control diseases, reduces harm ammonia levels, and ensuring a comfortable pen environment for the birds. Proper management also improves air quality, leading to better overall farm performance. By the help of the tools and equipment, we can easily remove all of the litters of it. After we remove all of it, let us now put in new messes. The purpose of it is to lessen the bad odor from the chicken's litters and also easy to remove it again.
emphasize security. Regular disinfection reduces the risk of pathogens like viruses and bacteria, ensuring a safe and clean environment that promotes better productivity and reduces losses due to illness.
So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoy watching and click the notification bell for our next video. Bye!